is Japanyan, and today we are going to Harajuku for a very sweet walk. We are going to try and taste all the delicious sweets. So first we are going to Totti Candy Factory to try their delicious rainbow cotton candy. There are so many kinds of cotton candy and each of them has its unique flavor. It's so cool, so I think I'll ask for a rainbow one. First of all, that's strawberry. And then I think it's not orange. I'm not sure. Then it's melon. Then the blue one will be soda. And the final color, purple, will be grape. Look at it, it's so delicious and really you can taste the taste. It's so cool. Next we're going to strawberry fetish. It's very red and very strawberry. It's just candy strawberry, but it's so cool, so delicious, and look at all these colors. It's really easy to eat and delicious. Next one is Le Shiner. So I know it's written gudu, but it's really Le Shiner. This is a magical sandwich. Why? Because the inside is rainbow. It's actually cheese, a lot of cheese. So it can be a little bit much, but it's super cool and super beautiful. Next we are going to try crepes. Marion Crêpe is one of the biggest crepe seller I think in Japan. And there are so many tastes in this one and you can look at all of them. Harajuku really is fantastic. And look, we chose strawberries and bananas and it's so good, so delicious. Our next stop is a little bit farther, I think, but it's really great. We are trying their new product. It's this. This is called Croissant Zaku, and it's really crispy. It's like shoe but crispy, and this inside is ice, and it's so delicious. It's so cool. Next, we are going to try tapioca or boba or bubble tea. I don't know how you call it. But these are absolutely perfect and very nice for summer. I think there are two different tastes here. Anyways, thank you for coming with us on our walk. See you next time. And bye nya!